I hope I'm wrong, but I think we're heading for a global depression. I mean, people are depressed. The economy stays down. It's hard to come back up. And now the good news is that for those who are prepared for it, like you and things like this, you'll do better. Because the best time to start a business is right after a crash. I made more money after 2008 than ever in my whole entire life. All the bargains that are going to be on the street, you know what I mean? It's going to be bargains everywhere. But everybody else, oh, you're pessimistic. No, I'm actually optimistic. Guys who start right after a crash do very well most of the time.
So let me ask you, the average person's watching this right now saying, okay, Robert, I'm not like you. I don't run a company. I don't have a brand. I haven't sold 41 million copies. I don't have oil. I don't have rental properties. What do I do to be prepared for a time like this?
Well, first of all, everybody can do something, but they won't. And that's the problem. And I think the problem with many Americans is they're complacent. They expect, well, it'll heal itself again. So the thing that everybody can do is, like, as I covered in Fake, my first investment was a gold coin in Hong Kong. I bought a Krugerrand. I was flying off an aircraft carrier in Vietnam. And I went to Hong Kong and I bought a gold Krugerrand. The date was 1972. The reason the date's important is because in 1972 it was illegal for Americans to own gold. So I had to smuggle that little puppy into America. I put it in my pocket, came off the ship, and nobody checked, But I felt like a criminal as I smuggled this gold coin because it was illegal for Americans to own gold after 1933 under Roosevelt. But that gold coin today is worth almost $2,000 because I understand money, that, quantitative counterfeiting and zero interest rates. I don't trust the dollar. So for most of my life, I've saved gold and silver. I have millions in gold coins and silver coins. I just kept saving it because I don't trust the dollar. So everybody can buy a silver coin today for $20. A silver eagle is $20. But how many people will go to a coin shop and buy it? Probably none. Less than 1/10% of Americans own precious metals. And silver today is 50% below its all-time high. So silver is the biggest bargain sitting in the market as we speak today. It's about $20. It should go to 50. So at $20, and I tell my friends, I go, think about it. That's the problem. So everybody can afford $20. Kids can afford $20. The thing is, people won't do it. And you know that too when you deal with people. Most people are pretty sedentary. They want to do the same old thing. Sure. I'm happy. Nothing's going to happen. Oh, you're just trying to scare me. But I was talking to my doctor last night, he says, you've been saying this stuff for 25 years. I never listened to you. You should have gold and you should have silver. You should have museum quality art and real estate. Income producing real estate. Like I have a friend in Panama. He has an avocado farm. So he's sitting in Panama growing avocados. He says, because people have to eat. Another friend of mine is growing blueberries. But another friend of mine, he moved up to, he was from Seattle, He had a big house. His kids all moved out. So he converted the kids' bedrooms into one-bedroom apartments. So he put a kitchen and he put a toilet inside his little bedrooms. And so he now rents out 4 bedrooms. He's making more money today than ever before because a lot of workers commute to Seattle. So they come in, they check in, they come in on Sunday night, they check out Friday afternoon. It's at a little house. He's making more money. And there's something you should know about, technology, all these cameras. Okay, it's called the Lindy effect. This Nassim Taleb wrote about it. He says anything that's been new in the last 20 years will be gone in 20 years. What's going to survive is old. So everybody thinks, well, technology is going to make it. What survives is old. It's the reason gold and silver will survive because it's old. Bitcoin may not survive because it's new. So I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm just telling you how to think. So Nassim Taleb has a book called Anti-Fragile, which is good.
Excellent read.
It's fantastic. He's a smart guy.
Oh, yeah.
But he writes about, how we have in school today, we're raising snowflakes. You have to have safe rooms. You can't trigger, you can't say anything, So we're raising a bunch of snowflakes. And he says the guy that's going to survive is somebody who's not fragile, anti-fragile. So what he says is this, whatever doesn't kill you will make you stronger. So he says when you go to the gym and you pump weights, you push 100 pounds. That means the next time you push, you might go 105. So bad times will make the strong stronger. There's something everybody can do. Like I said, everybody can buy a $20 silver piece. Everybody can afford $20. But will they do it? No. They'll be at Starbucks sucking it down instead. So the point is, everybody can do something, but you got to figure out what you can do.